is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to update you on what I'm working on right now and what amazing website I discovered for ordering not only replacement drills, but also special shape drills, metallic drills, crystal drills, glow-in-the-dark drills, etc. So, as you know, I am working on this very kit from Russia. It would turn out amazing, I know, because I saw the completed result. But while I was diamond painting it, I ran into two problems. I mean, I didn't purchase this kit, it was given to me as a gift, but this kit did not have this color, 334. Like, it was absent. There were all the colors except of that one. So I was checking my stash. I found some, but I needed more because, as you can see, this is symbol 2, and this is the area that is left. I didn't have any more in my stash, so I researched on where I can purchase it, and I found this website, and I will tell you about it a little bit later. Then, after the order was placed for this replacement and something else, of course, I couldn't resist. When I was looking at it, I realized that this pier looked very pixelated, although I saw the completed diamond painting. I'm not sure if you can see from here or not, this is a completed kit. Do you see the pier looks absolutely different than mine? Just look at that. You see, the difference is phenomenal. That one does look very detailed, gorgeous. It looks like a real pier, right? And this one looks extremely pixelated. I began my investigation and found out that apparently this very color 646 is a wrong one. Like whoever sorted the drills inside the bags put absolutely different color, and that's exactly why, because of one wrong color, which is this one, kind of like gray greenish. The diamond painting looks extremely pixelated just because of one color. So I went to the website, to the same website, and purchased more. I had to buy these replacement drills for that color, and along with that, of course, I purchased more. So this is the first order, so let's look at it. Oh, so the name of the website is diamondpaintingdrills.com. Why I was blown away by it? Maybe I'm wrong, but from what I saw, I think it's the only website that offers not only different shapes to select of the drills, right? Plus, you know, the kind of drills, crystal drills, metallic drills, other drills, right? Glow-in-the-dark drills, etc. But it also offers the selection of the material that the diamonds are made of. What I mean by this? Acrylic or resin. I was blown away by that, because that very kit is diamond painted with resin square drills. And for me, it is extremely important to have to work with resin drills, not with acrylic. I don't like acrylic drills. That is why when I saw that I could even select the material the drills are made of, I was really very impressed. So let's see what's inside. So of course, oh my god, it is packaged with such a love, such a care. I even feel bad opening it and tearing it. Okay, oh, that's so cute. Look at it. Oh my god, I had to tear it apart. Okay, whatever. Not the first one, but not the last one. Okay, so of course I did purchase this very drills, and yes, they are resin. And I had this dream for a very long time to purchase square drill metallic drills. I do have them in round shape, but not in square shapes. Look how pretty they are. And in my next order, I purchased crystals that glow in the dark. And that color, oh my god, I really like it. Looks very beautiful. Silver and gold. My second order was placed yesterday, so I will receive it maybe next week, and I ordered on top of the colors that I need to replace, crystals that glow in the dark for this very kit. Again, if you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you remember that I got this very mounted on the wood kit from Hobby Lobby, and it originally came with neon drills that glow in the dark, but I was planning to replace those neon drills with crystals, but then when I saw the glow-in-the-dark drills, I felt bad replacing them because they're of the same color, like very bright yellow and orange. So I went to Hobby Lobby again to purchase one more kit and, you know, use this one with the original drills and customize the next one. But unfortunately, they were all sold out. So, long story short, on this very website, when I was selecting the replacement drills for that 646 DMC number, I found out that they also carry crystals that glow in the dark, and the color was very similar, bright lemon, I would say, yellow lemon, right, and bright orange, and again, they glow in the dark. So technically, instead of doing two separate kits, one with glow in the dark, the other one with crystals, I will make one with crystals that glow in the dark. That's amazing. So, those of you who are looking for replacement drills, you can go to this website. You can purchase either resin or acrylic, either square or round, and on top of it, you can also get some special drills like, again, metallic drills or crystals or glow in the dark or ABs, etc. And now, I would like to show you another diamond painting kit that I purchased, but not from that website. That was bought from Temu. When I saw the final result, I was really very impressed because it looked like the drills are glowing inside, as if they're like LED lights. Very, very colorful kit. It is a partial. The designs, I mean, the fabric size is 30 by 30, but the design size is pretty small, 25 by 25 centimeters. It comes with 8 colors. And when I saw the drills, I understood why I was under impression that the drills are glowing, that they have like some kind of LED lights, because they're pretty bright. So it comes with this silver transparent drills, which most likely will be replaced with white ABs, because again, if it is ice, I think it would look nice, but for the snow, I think white ABs will benefit better. As to this one, maybe I will add it here on the water to show like ice maybe on it. It would look good there. Then look at this extremely bright yellow color, right? It does look like it glows. Very bright red color. This is, I would say, grayish. Extremely bright lettuce color. It also comes with pearl drills. I would say leaf-shaped drills in silver color and faceted around yellows. Again, the final result is really amazing. I'm not really a fan of such snack-sized partial kits, but I was in love with the final result. And the last thing that I would like to show you is this Poke Art Craft Kit. If you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you remember the shorts that I recorded saying that this very craft for kids is becoming very popular in the US. It is mess-free, and I showed you the final result, right? But I promised to show you the unboxing of the kit, how it comes. So now let's see what it comes with. Okay, so it comes with fabric square pieces. It comes with comes with a lot of things. It comes with gorgeous stylus. Look, it's fancy. Before it was just a wooden stick. And it comes with pre-shaped foam boards. So this is just the background or something like that. And these are pre-shaped foam boards. If you see, they also have holes here So what you do, I'm not going to show it to you on this one because my daughter is going to kill me. But these ones, for example, are charms. So technically, this very kit also comes with the chains, if I find them now. Like 4 chains, right? And technically it also has some practical value to it as well, because once it is completed, they can be taken out, put on the chain, and used as charms on, for example, a kid's backpack. But let's see what else it comes with. This is just for these 4, and they come mostly pre-shaped foam boards with princesses. There are different kinds. As I showed you, they come pre-shaped as birds or animals, as some type of a decor. But I think the princesses are the best because, again, the girls can not only do the craft stuff with that craft activity, but also play with them after that. So these are the princesses. Ariel. And there was one more. So technically what you do, you take them out of this foam board and push the fabric pieces into the foam hole like this. Oh my God, I don't see anything. I'm blind. Like this. Okay? So, and you do it all over the dress. And then it turns out like this. Oh, sorry. Forgot 2 more princesses. Here they are. Oh, that one is gorgeous. They are not, as far as I understand, color related, so I guess the kids are using their own imagination. They can do it using only, for example, one color, pink, or they can combine 2 colors, pink and purple, for example, depends on the taste, right? Or they can make it rainbow, or they can use whatever patterns they want. So it's also good for fine motor skills and their imagination. My daughter is done, and that's how it turned out. Pretty nice and quick. And one more thing that I ordered on Temu is this ring. I mean, nothing fancy. It costs like, I don't know, $2 or $3. It is glass. It's not even cubic zirconia. As far as I know, even cubic zirconia has is very high on Mohs scale. It's like 7 or 7.5. So in any case, it is impossible to scratch it with the clear quartz. And you know that my most favorite test to see if it is glass or not is the scratch test. And I scratched too much. I'm not sure if you see it here or not, but yeah, unfortunately this is glass, although it is faceted really very nice. I like the facets. It sparkles gorgeous. Look at that. Whoever cut it did a fabulous job. I know that my fingers are ugly and fat and uneven, but yeah, it looks pretty good on the hand. I'm not really a fan of diamonds and stuff like this. I like something cheap in sterling silver or in stainless steel. I'm not also a fan of, precious metals, gold or platinum, but yeah, that's very pretty. So if you like any of this, let me know, and I will leave the link in the description below. In the description box below, I will definitely leave the link on of this very website, diamondpaintingdrills.com, and on the of this mess-free craft for kids, and this gorgeous diamond painting kit. Well, technically, I will leave the links for everything. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.